green where I'm standing, I got both feet in. Love making money, what I look like beefing. Defense, 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 defense. I done hit these pull-ups, I ain't got no weakness. I done hit these push-ups, I ain't no weaving. Walking with these scars, I got hard tolerance. Said he wanted war, but he got Parkinson's. Shaking.
So you know I do a little something.
He'd be damn surprised.
Oh shoot!
You don't think these got built without anybody? What is this guy doing?
That's my camera.
You got a camera,
Hey,
man?
what's you doing? You know what you doing, buddy?
Flipping around. Flipping around.
Oh, you. We had footage since it was nothing. Building on up.
Yep.
It was grass. Every time I stay about 2-3 days, don't come, it's like a magic trick happen.
Around here it does.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, bro. Looking beautiful.
No growth on.
I was just about to say, we're really going out there?
I'm going, I'm going to chill a little bit, hold on.
How you doing?
I'm fast. Start seeing. Really start seeing. Okay. Don't know, but okay. We's moving on up, man. Yes. I get gone for 3 days and come back as a whole new brand new house. I know. Why is my closet so big? Right? It's a story behind it. You know, this is a custom home that we're building. So we literally went to the architect, we sat down and we drew out everything. My closet was like half this size, right? Same thing with my wife. See it? She got a nice size closet. But I know I got a lot of stuff in that, and I always dreamed of having like a little place to put my Rolexes, ticking around with a chandelier. So I wanted a bigger closet. So what they end up doing is, right? This was my closet right here. So they ended up building a wall and pushing it back so I could get my closet. That's why my closet so big. My wife like, she don't want no big closet. After I got my closet done, guess who's peeking in my closet? So I'm, oh, you know what? We might share this closet. Nope, my closet. True story. That's really the story. Kids don't know they lucky I'm their daddy. You feel me? I hope y'all watching this. Y'all lucky I'm your daddy, man. Look at this. My man.
How do you like?
Man, you good. You the man, baby.
Looks nice, right?
Goddamn man, baby.
Looks really nice.
Beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the best house, right?
Yeah.
Best house.
Yeah.
Okay, you said it. You heard him. He said it's the best house he built.
And
Number one.
I don't finish that. I have to do the shower.
Shower. Yeah. This house is one of one. All right, one of one. There was something I heard that when Floyd Mayweather comes to a neighborhood, right, or McDonald's or Publix, right, once they say they're gonna open up, they bring so much value to the neighborhood. You know what I mean? So with that said, that's what we bring to this neighborhood. We bring value. You know, we're building our dream home, the first modern home like this in the neighborhood. So that means everybody's house is gonna go up. That's what we do, man. When we come to man, we change it. We make an impact. Yeah.